to actually change your sheet is obviously the next step, because no one should and nobody do hand in this as your, if we see this being handed in as your project, you're not going to do very well on markings in terms of your display and professionalism and uniqueness. Obviously this is just the Revit automatic template and it's unnecessarily stupid looking really. So to edit your title block, it's as simple as any other family. It's almost simpler in ways. We can just click on it and then edit family. Obviously as soon as you do this in the project, just make sure to save it as your own family in the same place you always save your program data, AutoCAD, Autodesk, RSC12, libraries, UK, and then down at the bottom here there's a title blocks section, so make sure you do it in there. Call it whatever you want, your own name or Hawkins House or whatever you feel appropriate. And once you're in here, then you're back, like I said, you're in a family editor, and the majority of these lines and these pieces of text are just as you can see here in the editor. The editor for the when you edit a title block, you can see there's a different kind of information you can do. You can't create any model information. You can't draw extrusions or walls or windows, or you just do symbols, text, lines. All you need to is to draw as if you would do your drawing in CAD. So, I mean, lines are simply movable. You can dimension them in, and these dimensions are real dimensions. So if this is 5 mil in real life, if that makes sense. So, I mean, you all know how to set up a sheet from first to third year by now, so it's just a case of, I mean, you can edit all these and change them to show what information you want. Now these are actually intelligent labels, so essentially they match up with the project. So instead of actually deleting any of these, you should probably just edit them. So say, you can see when you click on each piece of information, they have either labels or text types, and these are the same as any other family. You know, each type of text is a text you can edit, and in here you can change its text size, the leaders of it, all the different kind of settings. I'm not going to go through them all, but say if you wanted to make a new text size that isn't here, a 2 mil text, same as always, we're just going to duplicate, call this 2 millimeter, and just change our text height to 2. So now you've got a 2 millimeter high text, and we can just change them all as we always would. Same with the sheets, they all come as labels, and they're different sizes again. To make a new one, you just do the same thing. And then yeah, you can obviously move all this information around. You don't need this kind of. And once you save it again,